now we start the unit 5, finite differences. What is finite differences? Differences are important, plays an important role in a numerical methods. Whenever these tabulated values of this one or more functions, then these finite differences are working. Finite differences. Finite differences. Suppose y is equal to f of x be a given curve. Be a given curve. If x0, x0 plus h, x0 plus 2h, x0 plus 3h up to x0 plus nh are discrete value of discrete value of x, where two consecutive terms are differ for the equality h. Then the corresponding value of y, then the corresponding value of y are y0, corresponding value of x0 are called y0, y1, y2 up to yn. x0, x0 plus h, x0 plus 2h, x0 plus 3h up to x0 plus nh are argument of this function y is equal to f of x. Whenever we put the any argument in this curve, then we give some output. For suppose we put this x is equal to x1, so this corresponding value we retrieve the y1. Suppose we put here x2, so we give an output y2. Same way, two consecutive entries are differ from the h. Here h minus is 2, x0 and x0 plus 1. In these two consecutive terms, these two difference are differ from the h. These two terms are differ from the h. These two terms are differ from the h. બે પદ વચ્ચેનો તફાવત h છે. Here x is called the number of entries, the x0, x0 plus h, x0 plus 2h, this is called a argument. X called as argument. And when we put this argument, we retrieve some output, this is called the entry. Therefore, we put this x0, suppose this entry x1, that x0 plus h, x2, that means x0 plus 2h, same as xn, x0 plus nh. So for this y is equal to f of course we produce some output here y0, this is called y1, here y2, y2 up to here yn. You can also write this y0 is equal to f of x0, y1 is equal to f of x0 plus h, here also called f of x0 plus 2h, and yn. You can also written this yn is equal to f of x0 plus nh. So argument, that means value of x, and this value of x, this corresponding value of this x are represented this y. That means whenever we put the value of x in the following curve, we produce some value. This is the entry of y. Now we find to determine the value of f of x. Now to determine the value of f of x, first first time derivative of this function f dash x, f double dash x, etc., we required a finite differences. There are three here required a finite differences. Here three types of the finite differences found. First one is forward differences. Second one is backward differences. And third one is central differences. Here three types of these differences found. F dash x, we can determine the f of x, f dash x and f double dash x of up to nth order derivatives exist. Then forward differences, backward differences and central differences introduced. Forward differences we can represent as this delta operator, backward difference is nebula and central difference is delta. So let us check how to forward differences are introduced and how to draw a forward differences table. Please note down. Forward differences x, y. X that means argument, y that means entry. Here we have a given curve y is equal to f of x. x0, x1, x0 plus h, that is x1, x2 that means x0 plus 2h, x0 plus 3h, x4 is equal to x0 plus 4h, x5 is equal to x0 plus 5h, x6 is equal to x0 plus 6h, x7 is equal to x0 plus 7h. We put this value, this argument into this curve, we produce a output whenever we put f, x replace can be x0, so y is equal to f of x0, so this is a y0. F of x0 plus h, so this is a y1. x2, we put x0 plus 2h, so f of x0 plus 2h, so this is a produce a y2. Corresponding value of this argument y3. Corresponding value of this argument y4. Corresponding value of this argument this and this. You can write this another. You can write x8, x9 up to xn. So now delta is the symbol representing an operator for the forward differences. We retrieve a first forward differences. We retrieve a first forward differences. First forward differences. This is called a one delta. Delta. First forward difference is delta. y1 minus y0. This is a delta y0. First forward difference is delta y0. You can retrieve y1 minus y0, then first forward difference is delta y0. જે બાદ થાય છે એ delta બને. y2 minus y2 minus y1. અહીંયા શું લખાય? delta y1. You can write a sum like here. y1 minus y0, that means delta y0. y2 minus y1, that means delta y1. So first forward difference is delta y0, delta y1. y3 minus y2, this is the delta y2. y4 minus y3, y4 minus y3, delta y3. y5 minus y4, it can be represented as first forward difference is delta y4. That means whenever you see delta y4, that means y5 minus y4. y6 minus y5 is equal to first forward difference is delta y5. y7 minus y6 is equal to first forward difference is delta y6. So you can also put ask in exam, question ask in exam, suppose delta y4, how can you expand this? So delta, that means first forward, delta power not, delta ni ek ga. So delta, that means first forward difference is y5, so this is, you can write y6 minus y5. Now, whenever we have a first forward differences, you can write the second forward differences. So second forward difference is then, that means delta square. So delta y1 minus delta y0, you can write this expression into second forward differences delta y0. Second forward difference is delta y0. So here same as delta y2 minus delta y1. So you can write here second forward difference is delta square y1. Here delta y3 minus delta y2, then delta square second forward difference is y2. Delta y4 minus delta y3 is equal to delta square y3. Delta y5 minus delta y4, delta square y4. Delta y6 minus delta y5, then delta square y5. So here delta square y0, that means second forward difference is y0. You also ask in a university exam, suppose delta square y3. So how to expand this delta square y3? So you can write this delta of, you can expand this expression delta of delta y3. So delta of delta y3, that means delta square. Here you can also write this d by dx and d by dx into dy by dx. So second time derivative exists. Here second time forward differences exist. Delta square, that means second time forward differences exist. So delta square, that means delta of delta y3. You can here, what is the how to expand delta y3? Delta y3, that means y4 minus y3. Here delta of y4 minus delta of y3. You can also, first forward difference is y4. So first forward difference is of y4, delta y4, that means y5 minus y4, here minus delta y3. You can also expand delta y3. Delta y3 is y4 minus y3. y4 minus y3. y5 minus y4 minus, so y5 minus 1 and 2, 2y5 plus y3. So delta square y3 is equal to y5 minus 2y4 plus y3. So expand. So this expression can be expanded like this. Also, third, here third forward difference is delta cube y. Here also you can delta y, delta square y, delta cube y. So how to retrieve third forward differences? So now you have a second forward differences. So differentiation of these two terms, consecutive terms. Delta square y1 minus delta square y0. This represented delta cube. Third forward differences, જે બાદ થતું હોય એમાં લખી દેવા. Here, two consecutive terms, difference from the two consecutive terms, delta square y2 minus delta square y1. So delta square, that means two terms in two terms of expression of the two terms in the second forward differences. So you can write here in In place of, we can write delta cube, that means third forward differences of y1. Here also you can write delta square y3 minus delta square y2. So delta cube y2. Here differences of delta square y4 minus delta square y3 is equal to delta cube y3. Here delta square y5 minus delta square y4 is equal to delta cube y4. જે બાદ થાય છે એ તમારે ફોરવર્ડ ડિફરન્સીસમાં લખાય. Here are third forward differences, same as the fourth forward differences, del raised to fourth y. So fourth forward differences are retrieved from this column. Third forward difference is retrieved from this column. Second forward difference is retrieved from this column. And first forward difference is retrieved from this column. Fourth forward difference is, so delta cube y1 minus delta cube y0 is equal to delta raised to 4. Fourth forward difference is y0. The difference from these two consecutive terms, delta cube y2 minus delta cube y1 is equal to delta raised to 4th y1. Difference from these two consecutive terms, delta cube y3 minus delta cube y2 is equal to delta 4 y2. Here also we can write this delta cube y4 minus delta cube y3 is equal to delta raised to 3 y3. You can write this up to 5th forward, 6th forward, 7th forward, also write this. Now some questions are, suppose we try to find delta square y0. Suppose we try to find delta square y0. How to expand delta square y0? So this is a second forward difference. So delta of delta y0. So delta into delta y0, that means y1 minus y0. y1 minus y0, that means delta y0. So here delta y1 minus delta y0. So delta y1, that means delta y1, forward difference is, first forward difference is y1. y2 minus y1 here, minus delta y0, that means y1 minus y0. So y2 minus y1 minus y1, that means 2y1 minus minus plus y0. Same delta square, any second forward difference is, suppose delta square y3. So delta square y3. So how to define how to expand delta square y3 or delta square y2? Suppose delta of delta y2. So delta into delta y2, that means y3 minus y2. That means first forward differences. Here delta y3 minus delta y2. So what is the expandation of delta y3? y4 minus y3 here, delta y2, y3 minus y2. So y4 minus y3 minus y3 minus 2y3 plus y2. So here delta square y0 is equal to y2 minus 2y1 plus y0. અહીં y0 હોય તો અહીંયા y0 આવે, એક અહીંયા વધે અને અહીંયા 2 વધે. ડેલ્ટા સ્ક્વેર y2 છે તો અહીંયા y2 આવે, એક અહીંયા વધે ને એક 2 અહીંયા વધે. અહીંયા -2y1 -2y3. So also we can write delta square yn, also we can nth term. Delta square y0 માટે અહીંયા y0 -2y1 અને y2. Delta square y2 માટે y4 અહીંયા 2 વધશે, -2 into 1 વધશે અને આ જે ટર્મ થશે એ. So delta square સેકન્ડ ટાઈમ ફોરવર્ડ ડિફરન્સીસ yn માટે લખવું હોય શું લખી શકાશે? આમાં 2 વધશે એટલે શું લખાય? yn+2 -2 into અહીંયા 1 વધશે તો yn+1 પ્લસ અહીંયા જે ટર્મ્સ હોય લાસ્ટમાં પ્લસમાં તો yn. This is the general equation delta square. Second time forward difference is yn is equal to yn+2 -2 yn+1 plus yn. Note down. same as, suppose, same as delta cube y0. So how to expand delta cube y0? How to expand delta cube y0? So delta cube y0, that means delta square y1 minus delta square y0. You can also like this delta of delta square y0. That means delta of delta square y0 એટલે 1 and 2. That means third forward differences of y0. So delta of delta square y0, that means delta of delta y0, or delta y1 minus delta y0. So you can expand delta y1 and delta y0. That means y2 minus y1 and minus y1 plus y0. અહીંયાથી કાઉન્ટ છૂટો પાડી દીધો. So delta of y2 minus 2y1 plus y0. So delta y2 minus 2 into delta y1 constant bar into delta y0. You can expand this from delta y2. That means y3 minus y2 minus 2 into delta y1. That means y2 minus y1 plus delta y0. That means y1 minus y0. So y3 minus y2 minus 2y2 minus plus 2y1 plus y1 minus y0. So y3 minus 2y2 and minus y2, that means 3y2 plus 2 and 1 3y1 minus y0. So delta cube y0, the third forward difference is delta cube y0 is equal to this way. You can expand delta cube y0 this way. Again, suppose delta cube y2 expand. Delta cube y2. So how to expand the third forward difference is y2. So delta of delta square y2. So delta into delta square y2, that means delta square y2, that means delta y3 minus delta y2. You can also expand first forward difference is delta y3. So y3, that means y4 minus y3. Here my delta y2, that means y3 minus y2. Bracket open करिए એટલે y3 minus यहाँ plus y2. So delta y4 minus y3 minus y3 to delta y3 plus delta y2. Delta y4, that means y5 minus y4. Delta y3, that means y4 minus y3. And y3 minus y2. You can expand this form. So y5 minus y4 minus 2y4 plus 2y3 plus y3 minus y2. So y5 minus 3y4 plus 3y3 minus y2. Delta cube y2 is equal to this form. Compare this to third forward difference is y0. Here y0 एक વધે plus 3, 2 વધે minus 3 and 3. And y2, but third forward difference is y2. y2 as it is, 1 વધે 2 વધે and 3 વધે. અહીંયા minus 3 છે, same as it is. અહીંયા plus 3 છે, same as it is. So in this way, whenever we write the third forward differences of yn, you can write this way. So how to expand the third forward differences of yn? So here y5, that means here you can, here 0 plus 3, 2 plus 3. So here y n plus 3 minus 3 into y. Here 0 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So n plus 2, that means here n plus 2. Plus 3 into y3, 1 increment. So yn plus 1 minus yn. સીધી ભાષામાં અહીંયા y0 હોય તો અહીંયા y0 માઇનસ આવે, એક y1 એક વધે, અહીંયા 2 વધે ને અહીંયા 3 વધે. y2 હોય તો y2 આવે, 1 વધે, 2 વધે ને 3 વધે. તો yn હોય તો yn આવે, yn plus 1, yn plus 2 and yn plus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 as it is, and minus y0, minus y2 and minus yn. So you can expand the any type of the forward differences like this way. Note down. Now some of these properties of forward differences here delta, this is the forward differences operator. Delta, this is forward differences operator. Only single delta y first forward. Single delta y first forward differences. Delta square y second forward differences. Delta cube y third forward differences. Again, delta fourth y, delta fifth y, we can also represent like this. Fourth forward, fifth forward differences. Suppose properties of this forward differences satisfy a delta c is equal to 0, where c is constant. Whenever we c is constant, so that is delta 2 is equal to 0. C is a constant, delta 2 is equal to 0. અચળનું વિકલન 0 થાય એ આપણે સીધું ખબર છે, એ રીતે તમે મૂકી શકો. B, delta c into f of x, where c is a constant, તો constant બહાર નીકળી અને delta f of x, where c constant. અચળ બહાર નીકળીને x નું વિકલન. સપોઝ 2x સ્ક્વેર હોય તો d by dx માટે આપણે શું કરીએ છીએ, બે બહાર કાઢી d by dx x સ્ક્વેર, આવું આપણે લખી શકાય. સેમ એઝ c કોન્સ્ટન્ટ છે એ બહાર નીકળે ડેલ્ટા f of x લખી શકો. c delta of a into f of x plus b into g of x. તો ડેલ્ટા અંદર લખીને અચળ બહાર કાઢી શકો, a into delta f of x plus b into delta g of x, આવું લખી શકો, where a and b are constant. But you cannot write like this, delta of f of x into g of x. Multiplication of these two functions does not like f of x into delta g of x. You cannot write this way. And also, in the function notation, the forward differences are like written there. In the function notation, forward differences are like this. Forward differences are written as below. Suppose delta of f of x, that means first forward differences of f of x. So here we can see the tabulate form, here f of x. So that means first entry x1 and x0. So first forward differences, that means whenever we return this type of delta f of x, whenever we differences minus f of x, that time we return delta f of x, that means first forward differences. y2 minus y1 હોય તો આપણે શું લખીએ છીએ, delta y1 એ બાદ થતું હોય. delta f of x લખવું હોય તો f of x બાદ થાય. આગળ શું હોય એના પછીની વેલ્યુ, so x plus h is the common differ entity. H is the common difference interval. એટલે કે કન્ટિન્યુ h નો જ આપણે ઇન્ક્રીમેન્ટ કરતા હોય બે કોન્ઝિક્યુટિવ ટર્મ્સ વચ્ચે. f of x plus h minus f of x, that means delta f of x. Same as delta square f of x. Delta square f of x. We can also write this form. Here now, previous we discussed about this delta square. Delta square y0. Same as delta square second forward difference is delta square yn. We can represent this form are yn plus 2 minus 2 into yn plus 1 plus yn. Delta square yn is equal to yn plus 2 minus 2 into yn plus 1 plus yn. Second forward difference is. Here also second forward difference is f of x. So here f of x plus h, one difference, and f of x plus 2h. So here f of x plus 2h minus 2 into f of x plus n plus 1, that means xh વધે, plus yn, that means here જે પણ અહીંયા છે એ મૂકી દઈએ, plus f of x. Delta cube f of x, third forward differences. We can here normal equation of this third forward differences. Normal equation of this third forward differences. Yn plus 3, that means f of x plus 3h. Minus 3 into yn plus 2, that means f of x plus 2h. So how to write this? F of x plus n plus 3, that means 3h. Minus 3 into yn plus 2, that means f of x plus 2h. Plus 3 into yn plus 1, that means f of x plus h, and minus yn, that means f of x. f of x, અહીંયા 1 વધે, આ 2 વધે ને આ 3 વધે. yn 1 વધે, 2 વધે ને 3 વધે. Minus 3n plus 3 as it is, minus 3n plus 3 as it is. So you have forward differences represented in the function notation. Write down.